airport infrastructure by FCC Construcción is unique, with all works requiring a high degree of specialization.
Con una historia de más de 110 años de antigüedad de FCC participando en proyectos de infraestructuras aeroportuarias de primer nivel. En ese sentido, FCC aporta algunas de las mejores referencias, algunas de las cuales pueden ser la Terminal 4 del Aeropuerto Internacional de Madrid, en Barajas, la Terminal 2 en el Aeropuerto de Barcelona, y en el campo internacional podemos ofrecer las referencias del Aeropuerto Internacional de Letonia, en Riga, y también la instalación en Santiago de Chile. Por otro lado, recientemente se ha terminado la torre de control del Aeropuerto del Dorado, en Bogotá, en Colombia, que es un proyecto que ha cumplido todas las expectativas en materia de consecución de plazos, costes y calidad de terminación de la instalación.
In Spain, FCC has been responsible for the development of Terminal 4 at Adolfo Suárez Madrid-Barajas Airport. This major construction and engineering challenge forms part of one of the largest civil works in the world. Activity included the creation of 2 new runways, a public and private transport connection, and the construction of a new terminal area with 3 buildings. New terminal building, satellite building, and parking. Terminal 4 was built by FCC in 2005. The principles of clarity, flexibility, and natural light, on which the design by Antonio Lamela, Spain, and Richard Rogers, UK, is based, were incorporated into the construction. The terminal building covers over 500,000 square meters, with a length of 1,142 meters, 174 check-in counters from over 26 airlines operating from the airport today are located here, in what is one of the largest buildings in Europe. The new terminal covers an area equivalent to about 5,000 average-sized homes. It is made up of 3 parallel structures, oriented in south-north directions and divided into 6 areas, which fulfill different functions according to the flow of passengers. These areas are separated from each other by empty space between the platform and ground cover. Natural light permeates here at the lower levels of the building. A combination of glass walls and over 550 skylights allows even more natural light in, as well as reducing the energy consumption of the building. There is parking capacity at the new terminal for 9,000 vehicles. This is spread over 5 functionally independent floors. To ensure integration of the buildings into the landscape, there is more than 56,500 square meters of continuous vegetation cover, the largest space of its type by surface area in Europe. Respect for the environment has been one of the main priorities of the airport expansion project. This has been achieved by integrating environmental, social and cultural aspects into every feature of the structure. The satellite building serves international flights and has more than 26 parking spaces for aircraft. The building is connected to the new terminal through the 3-kilometer airport tunnel for airport services. This underground tunnel runs underneath the aircraft parking platforms crossing the runways. It allows passenger connections between both buildings and streamlines airport operations through the Automatic Baggage Transit System, SATE. FCC has ensured the new terminal will stand the test of time through the use of proprietary technology and innovative design. It will allow for future extensions. The clearest example of this is the metallic structure of the linear and wavy roof that replicates a silhouette of a bird with its wings open. The roof and facade are connected in such a way that the facade is hung from the deck, thus absorbing the force of the wind. False bamboo ceiling also increases the feeling of warmth, welcome and visual comfort to the passenger. All of this attention to detail has given the terminal a distinctive identity, whilst also ensuring the conceptual and architectural unity of the project. The result of the construction of this infrastructure has been the creation of a large interconnected airport capable of serving more than 70 million passengers per year and performing 120 operations per hour. The new terminal has also received many infrastructure awards, including those granted by the Royal Institute of British Architects in the UK, the Sterling Award, the International Award RIBA European Awards 2006, and the Bridge of Alcántara International Award. The new airport terminal has reinforced Madrid's position as the main air traffic hub in Spain, as well as being one of the most important destinations in Europe and even the world.